Hi guys, this is me Sharon, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this bucket bag using loop stitches. It's very easy and trust me, you're gonna like it. For this project I'll be using high bulk acrylic yarn, which is called Love Nuts, that I bought online, and I will add the link where I bought this yarn in the description box. And this yarn recommends 4mm crochet hook, but this time I'm going to use 3.5mm crochet hook. So I want my tension to be a bit tighter. That's the reason why I'm using this one. Now there's a leather piece that I bought. This is the top part, and it comes with the bottom part, of course, and a very long strap. In case you haven't watched my unboxing of this leather piece, you can check my past videos, and I also showed you where to buy this kind of leather set. To start this project, I'll be using this color neon green, and I'm going to make a slip knot first and then start into any holes I like. And then for each hole, I'm gonna do 2 single crochets. So this is what it looks like after working a different color, and I did about 3, 6, 9, 10 rows or rounds of loop stitches, and I'm going to close off this round by slip stitching on top of the first single crochet. So no more loop stitches here. I'm just going to work a slip stitch and then chain 1 to secure. So I'm not going to fasten off or cut off the yarn because I'm going to join the other piece. I might use this for later. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to do the same on the top part of this. This is the top part of the bucket bag. And then for this top part, we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the bottom part of this bag. So we're gonna start working 2 single crochets into each hole, and after that we're going to just simply repeat what we did in here. So for every color that I chose, this one, it's about 50 grams. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to join the 2 pieces after working with the 2 more rounds of loop stitches. So this is what it's going to look like after finishing almost 20 rounds of the loop stitches, and I'm telling you, it's not that easy. For every round of this color, it took me about 2 hours of this, and of course you couldn't crochet for a long time because your hands are gonna get sore. So I had to stop for a few minutes, taking my break, and then after that, the next step is we're going to join the middle part. And by doing that, you can just use the ends of the other one like this, and then I'm going to use a needle so to make sure that this stays in the middle and the bottom part of the bag is in this way.